Hello, students. I hope you all are safe at your home and enjoying your time with your family. Today, I am back with your chapter 4, and that is poem Roundabout. And this poem is composed by C.J. Dennis. First of all, I will tell you about author Clarence Michael James Stanislas Dennis is the full name of C.J. Dennis, better known as C.J. Dennis, born on 7 September 1876 and died on 22nd June 1938, was an Australian poet known for his humorous poems, especially the Songs of a Sentimental Book, published in the early 20th century. Though Dennis' work is less well known today, his 1915 publication of the Sentimental Book sold 65,000 copies in its first year, and by 1917 he was the most prosperous poet in Australian history. So, first, I will recite a poem to you, and then you will recite at your own. They say the eagle is a bird that sees some splendid sights when he soars high into the sky upon his dizzy flights. He sees the ground for miles around, our house and Billy Johnson's, but we cannot be eagles, for that would, of course, be nonsense. So, as I recite a poem in this, you might have got an idea that actually the poet is very fascinated to the flight of eagle. Who is eagle? All of you know it is a bird, yes. And he wants, to fly like an eagle and see those splendid sights. Splendid means beautiful sights of ground from over the sky. And he wants to fly high into the sky. And like when you keep on going round and round, you feel so dizzy at that time. Your head is spinning. And when he flies like an eagle, and when high up in the sky when he's flying, so what he can see his house and his friend's house with his friends, yes, Billy Johnson's. But he is thinking that we cannot be fly like an eagle, and that would be, of course, be a nonsense that we can fly like an eagle. Okay, you understood the stanza? Okay, we will move to the next stanza. But you and I, some summer day, providing we are allowed, will go up in an aeroplane and sail right through a cloud. But if they say we may not go, we will stay upon the ground with other things that have no wings and watch them walk around. Yes, in this stanza, the poet trying to tell you as a friend, he's telling to you as a friend, and he says that some summer day you and a poet can, if you are provided to allow to go in an aeroplane, and there you can sail with clouds. And if that is not possible, then you just stay on ground and you can watch things around, because he is trying to compare that feeling to able to fly and that sight of bird flying high up in the sky. He is comparing his feelings that he is flying like a bird high up in the sky, and he's feeling somehow what we can say, when we are boarded in the plane. So when you look from the window, what a beautiful sight you can see. So see, when you say, I think sometime you have boarded in the plane, and what a beautiful sight you can see. See, I have attached the picture here, that what a sight, beautiful sight you can see from the plane. Okay, so some of you might have traveled in the plane. The sight is so fascinating from the sky that we can't imagine. So, and the here poet is saying that if no one is allowed to go in the plane, so we will stay upon the ground, and like other things, those who have no wings, we don't have wings, so the things that have no wings, and we will watch from the ground only, that how we can feel when we are in the sky. So, children, the poet is comparing eagle with plane. So, what did you understand from the poem today? Yes, the poem is a comparison between an eagle and aeroplane. The second is the poet wishes to fly like an eagle, and third one is the poet wants to see the view of the world and places in it from the sky. That's such a beautiful poem. I hope you all read it, recite it at home, try to understand its meaning, and I will come back with question and answers. And there are new words. So, splendid means very grand. Dizzy, the meaning of dizzy is making you feel that everything is spinning around you. Means when you move round and round and round, so what happens, your head is spinning, and so that how you feel, the feeling is called dizzy. And nonsense means something that is foolish or stupid. Some means some questions or answers are not relevant, that is not logically correct, so that is called nonsense, stupid. Providing means on condition that. Okay, so these are new words which you will be going through this poem. So I hope that you understood the poem, and if you feel that you are facing some difficulties or some doubt is there, so you can ask me. Okay, till then, bye, take care.